Welcome to Schloss Spiez, a stunning medieval castle overlooking Lake Thun in Switzerland. This picturesque fortress dates back to the 10th century and showcases a blend of architectural styles reflecting its long history. Its grand stone tower stands as a symbol of strength, while the surrounding pristine gardens add a touch of tranquility. From this angle, you can see the harmonious blend of the castle's medieval origins with its more modern renovations. Notice how the castle transitions seamlessly into the charming village below, with the glistening lake in the distance. It's a perfect illustration of how the castle has remained an integral part of the community. Step inside Schloss Spiez and you'll discover a treasure trove of medieval artifacts, including these impressive suits of armor. Each piece tells a story of chivalry and battle from centuries past. The inclusion of a horse's headpiece showcases the importance of cavalry in medieval warfare. This intricate family tree reveals the noble lineage of the Freiherren of Spiez. For centuries, these aristocrats played a pivotal role in shaping the region's history. The colorful heraldic symbols highlight the alliances and marriages that cemented their influence. This vibrant painting captures a moment of celebration or procession in medieval Spiez. The attention to detail brings the scene to life, with townsfolk cheering and soldiers standing at attention. It's a fascinating glimpse into the communal spirit of the era. In the castle's kitchen, you can almost hear the crackle of the fire and the chatter of cooks preparing a feast. The hanging game reflects the medieval diet, which relied heavily on hunting. This space offers a tangible connection to daily life in the castle centuries ago. This display of historical cookware and utensils gives us a glimpse into the culinary practices of medieval Spiez. From wooden bowls to metal spoons, these tools reveal how meals were prepared and served in a time before modern conveniences. This exhibit illustrates the intricate networks of trade and agriculture that sustained life around Schloss Spiez. From plowing fields to bustling markets, these images remind us of the interconnectedness of medieval society and the castle's role within it. These wooden tubs and barrels were essential for storing food, liquids, and other goods. Their simple yet functional design reflects the resourcefulness of the castle's inhabitants and offers insight into the logistical challenges of managing a medieval household. This ornately designed bed reflects the artistry and craftsmanship of the time. The enclosed structure was not just decorative, it also helped retain warmth during cold alpine nights. Its floral motifs add a touch of elegance to this practical piece of furniture. This poignant painting, titled Leben und Tod, A Life and Death, reflects the fragility of life during medieval times. The solemn expressions of the figures and the inclusion of a small animal symbolize the interconnectedness of life's joys and sorrows. Such artwork served as a reminder of mortality and the value of each fleeting moment. These panels vividly capture medieval Europe's grappling with mortality, particularly during the Black Plague. The dancing skeletons personify death, while the depiction of a plague doctor highlights the desperate attempts at fighting the epidemic. Each scene conveys the era's mix of fear and resilience. The stained glass windows in Schloss Spiez radiate a spectrum of colors, reflecting the artistry of the period. The intricate coats of arms proudly display the heraldry of noble families, serving both as decoration and a declaration of lineage and power. This portrait gallery offers into the lives of the nobility who once inhabited Schloss Spiez. Each painting immortalizes the sitter's wealth and status through fine clothing and regal poses. The golden frames further emphasize the opulence of their world. The plaster relief above this grand fireplace is a testament to the decorative artistry of the Renaissance. The central figure, possibly symbolizing power or prosperity, is flanked by cherubic figures, while the heraldic shields reinforce the family's legacy. This ornate ceiling, dated 1614, showcases the craftsmanship of its time. The geometric patterns and heraldic crest create a sense of grandeur, demonstrating the importance placed on even the smallest architectural details. The friezes lining this room tell stories of everyday life, from pastoral scenes to bustling markets. Below them, The portraits of nobility remind visitors of the castle's dual role as a hub of both governance and culture. This circular crest is a rich tapestry of symbols and inscriptions encapsulating the history and alliances of the family. The vibrant colors and ornate details make it both a historical record and an artistic achievement. The friezes lining this room tell stories of everyday life, from pastoral scenes to bustling markets. Below them, the portraits of nobility remind visitors of the castle's dual role as a hub of both governance and culture. This storage room offers a glimpse into the practical side of castle life. The hanging fox pelts reflect the importance of hunting, not just for food, but for warm clothing. The soft light streaming through the window adds an unexpected touch of warmth to this utilitarian space. This picturesque courtyard is a harmonious blend of nature and architecture. The central lawn offers a peaceful retreat, while the church steeple stands as a timeless symbol of spirituality. The lake and surrounding mountains complete the scene, evoking a sense of tranquility and connection to the natural world. This humble room showcases the resourcefulness of medieval life. The fox pelts signify the importance of hunting for warmth and survival, while the linen clothes hint at the simplicity of daily wear. The wooden door and small window offer a glimpse into the practicality of castle architecture. This delicately crafted instrument highlights the cultural importance of music in earlier times. Its intricate design reflects the artistry of its maker, while its preservation underscores the enduring value placed on musical expression across generations. This manuscript offers a window into the medieval world of art and storytelling. The vibrant illustrations and heraldic motifs hint at the noble or ecclesiastical origins of the text, reminding us of the central role manuscripts played in preserving history and culture. These suits of armor stand as silent witnesses to a bygone era of chivalry and warfare. The sturdy craftsmanship reflects the technical ingenuity of the time, while their presence evokes the courage and discipline required of medieval knights. This display represents the rigorous training routines of medieval knights. The jousting lance and shield symbolize the physical and strategic demands of the sport, while the rustic setting transports us to the world of tournaments and chivalric contests. This training horse highlights the significance of equestrian skills in medieval life. Used to prepare knights and riders, the sturdy wooden structure and leather saddle reflect the attention to detail in mastering essential battlefield skills. This lively marina exemplifies the seamless blend of modern leisure and natural beauty. The calm waters cradle the sailboats, while the vibrant greenery and cozy residential area paint a picture of serene lakeside living. This charming boathouse embodies the simplicity and serenity of life by the water. Its modest design integrates seamlessly with the surrounding landscape, offering a tranquil retreat from the bustling world. This curious ginger cat adds a touch of liveliness to the otherwise tranquil courtyard. The rustic stone wall and blooming flowers create a picturesque backdrop, capturing the charm of everyday moments in a historic setting. This historic church, standing resolute against time, offers a blend of simplicity and spirituality. Its weathered walls narrate centuries of devotion, while the lake in the background adds an ethereal touch. The bell, a reminder of the community's faith, rests peacefully, a symbol of the church's enduring legacy. A cheerful roadside display that welcomes visitors with gratitude, "Thank you," in German. This vibrant arrangement of flowers conveys warmth and hospitality, while the charming miniature tower evokes the local architectural heritage. A perfect blend of nature and tradition to conclude this journey. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.